been to Coronado Springs Resort. It's absolutely our favorite resort here at Disney. Beautiful property, beautiful rooms. It's so pretty. We're in room 9244 on the 12th floor. This is room 9244 on the 12th floor of Coronado Springs Tower. It's an absolutely beautiful room. Love the way it's decorated. It's a king-size bed. Nice little sofa. The decor is beautiful. Three drawers, cooler down there, little Keurig coffee maker, and then the bathroom. Your little water closet, nice decorations in there. Nice glass stand-up shower with a waterfall and the handheld sprayer. 2 sinks. And of course, since it's a water view, you have this beautiful view of the lake. I'm going to walk around and show you some of the beautiful architecture and tropical landscaping that they have on this property. This is the Coronado Springs food court. They call it Mercado. They have some of the typical offerings from the other food courts, but they also have some specialty items that you can't find at other ones. And those are seasonal, so they change. Panchito's store here at Coronado Springs. Some cute mugs. Aww. I like those. It's cool to have some Coronado Springs merch.
Make sure we get reservations.
Those are cool little coasters. lot of cocoa merch, which is kind of cool. This is a pool at Coronado Springs. And, normally they have a waterfall going down the pyramid. We're getting ready to have dinner at Three Bridges Restaurant. It is definitely one of our favorite dining options of all of the Disney resorts. So we ordered queso blanco and chips for an appetizer. Nana ordered steak frites, and I got the chicken mole poblano. Nana got the cherry basil sorbet, and I got warm churros with tequila caramel, raspberry, and chocolate dip. The appetizers, food, dessert were all absolutely incredible. The weather's so nice, I think we're going to go sit by the lake for a little while. This is the Laguna Bar, right by the lake. We enjoyed Coronado Springs so much today that we decided not to even go to a park. We just spent the day relaxing and enjoying the scenery, and this sunset was a beautiful way to end the evening. What a beautiful sunrise. Time to check out and go to Hollywood Studios.